to sit down today and do a bridal look. I'm going to be doing the voiceover, but I decided to do the intro with me just talking to you. So for those who don't know, I'm going to be getting married next year, and my intention is to do my own makeup. So this is me trying to practice to get used to doing my own makeup so that on the day I feel stress free and I am going to be already used to doing a specific look. So I just want to share it with you guys. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe. So stay tuned if you want to see how I got from this to this. So I'm just starting by moisturizing my face. You can use whatever moisturizer you want to use. It's just to prep your face. And before I get into the makeup, I'm using the AOA lip scrub, and I'm just applying this to my lips because you know it's your wedding day. You have to give that kiss and you want your lips to be as smooth and luscious as possible. I'm just going to do my eyebrows. I'm using the Huda Beauty. It's a pencil. Now it's two-sided. There's a brown side and there's a black side, and I just really like this because you can start a little bit light and then you can build it up to the color that you want. So after I filled it in, I just brushed it out. I didn't want them to look too dark. Then I carved out my eyebrows. They look a bit thick to me. I don't want them to be this thick on the day, so I'm glad that this is me, that I'm getting the practice in. Next, I'm going in with the Pure Festival palette, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this dark brown shade in the palette, and I'm just going to apply this to the shade All Night. I'm going to apply this to my eyebrows just to set it with a bit of powder so that it stays for the entirety. Next, I'm just gonna prime my eyes with some concealer, and then I'm gonna set that concealer with the Pretty Vulgar setting powder. So now that my eyes have been set, I'm just gonna go in with the shade Hidden Desert, and I'm gonna apply this to my crease. I'm starting off very light-handed because it's your wedding day, and depending on the look that you're going for. Now I'm going for more of a natural kind of look, so I don't want it to be too dark. And then I went in with this shade All Night again, and I'm just applying this to the crease with the same brush. So I continue by mixing these two colors together, and I continue to apply it to the crease just to give my eyes a bit of dimension. Then I went in with a fluffier brush to just blend out the edges. So the next palette I'm going to go into is the Rainforest of the Sea palette from Tarte, and I'm going to go in with the shade Jewel and just apply this to my lid using my fingers. It looked very gold in person. I'm gonna go back in with those same two colors, the All Night and Hidden Desert, and apply this to blend out the edges. And I'm also gonna take my finger to try and disperse the glitter a bit so that it looks more natural as glitter can look. I'm gonna do a small wing with this liquid eyeliner. Nothing too dramatic. going to go in with All Night, and what I'm gonna do is, you don't want your eyeliner to look too harsh, so what I did is I used this brown shade and I just blended out, well, tapped it on top of the black eyeliner just to lighten it a bit, just to soften it a bit, to make your eyes look a bit softer. So you see, you can see a slight difference. Then now I'm gonna prime my face with the No Problem primer. And because I'm a bit oily, what I did is I took some translucent powder and I placed that onto my face. It's the same Pretty Vulgar powder. I just placed that all over my face. Now I'm going in with the Fit Me foundation, the matte and poreless, in the shade 360 Mocha. And I didn't want to put a lot on because you don't want to have a cake face on your wedding day. You want to look as natural and as beautiful as you possibly can look. So when you place your foundation on, you can just look for spots where you're still seeing a bit of discoloration peeking through, and you can apply more foundation to that spot, to those spots only. But I got a bit carried away. Now I'm just gonna highlight my under eyes. And I'm also highlighting the high points of my face, which are my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I'm going to use a combination of my beauty blender, a small brush, and the foundation brush to just blend this all out. Blend it all into my face. Now I'm going to contour with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Mahogany. Honestly, this is the first time I was using this, and I do not suggest that on your wedding day you're now using new products. When you get married, on that day you should use products that you know are perfect for your skin. They work great with you, they last long. And when I blended this out, it looked a bit muddy on me, but I fixed it. I tried and I fixed it eventually. So now I'm going to set that contour with the LA Girl Pro Face, and I'm going in with the shade Cocoa. So I applied a little bit more concealer under my eyes just to brighten it a little bit more, and I blended this out using my finger along with the beauty sponge. Then I went in with the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder and I set my under eyes. Off now, I'm using a Jordana brown powder in the shade Warm Cocoa, and I'm just going to use this to set my entire face. So I just took the color All Night, and I just applied this to my waterline to under my eyes. Then I just winged out the eyeliner kind of disappeared, so I just took the all-nighter and I just applied this to try and extend that line a little bit. And setting my face, and I'm going to apply the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. The shade was Summer Days, yeah. And I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just apply this to my top lashes. I don't know if I'm going to be wearing lashes on my wedding day, so this is me just trying out a no lash look. The next look I do, I'll use lashes. And on my bottom lashes, I use the Wet n Wild Mega Lash mascara. Guys, please excuse the quality. I had to change to a different camera because my other one failed and it refused to work on me. So I had to change to filming on my phone. So let me just end this off. I applied the Tarte's Lips Shimmer in the shade Insta Famous. I applied that to my lip. And now I just decided to just go over my face once again with some brown powder. And then I'm going to end off right there, and this is going to be the look. So I forgot to put on blush, so the blush I'm using is from LOL and it's in the shade Coral Blush, and I'm going to mix these two colors in the pan, and I'm just going to apply this to my cheeks and a little bit up to my temples. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that this look gave you guys some ideas on what to do for your big day. Have a faithfully blessed day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.